Hello and welcome to Mini Crafts for Little Hands. Today I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous coloured butterfly. Let me show you what you're going to need. A little selection of stuff here. We have some wet PVA glue and a paintbrush. We need a pair of scissors, a little pipe cleaner if you have it. I have a little sparkly silver one here. A selection of wool in your favourite colours. Okay, I've got some nice bright colours here. And a little sheet of card. Okay, if you don't have card, you could always use the back of the cereal box and either paint it a colour or just keep it that nice neutral colour. And that's us, ready to go. So the first thing you want to do is on your card here, you want to draw out a butterfly shape and cut that out. So you should end up with something, a sort of a butterfly shape like this here. So we've got the head and we've got the body, and then we've got two lovely wings here on either side. And that's the first step. So the next thing you want to do is to take your glue and to paint glue all over your butterfly. Not too thick a layer because it'll take forever to dry and it might get a bit messy, but you want to put enough on that it doesn't dry too quickly either. But we can always add more if we need to. And here we go. You can see it's quite wet and shiny, and that's from all the glue. So then I'm going to take one of my colours of wool. I'm going to start here with yellow and I'm going to cut off a little length. And I'm going to start to draw nice patterns with the wool. So I'll start at one wing here. I'll do a little curve and I'll sort of circle around to make a nice spiral. And dab it down, just press it down lightly. Try not to get your fingers too sticky with the glue, but you might get a little bit on it. And just draw a nice curvy shape the whole way around. And it doesn't have to be too tight, it can be nice and open, and that's so that we can add extra little colours in. Once you've done that, you just want to cut off one end. Let me just show you here. That's how it looks, okay? So I'm going to do the same thing on the opposite side. And there you go, I've done two matching sides there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use other colours and I'm going to fill in the wings with lots of lovely bright colours. So I've covered the wings now. Now I'm going to put a little bit down the middle for the body. Here is our lovely little butterfly, all coloured in. All that's left is to put little antennae on the top. And I'm going to do this with my little pipe cleaner. So I'm going to fold my pipe cleaner in two, so I get two little antennae. And then when this is totally dry, you turn it over and you put a little bit of glue on the back and you stick it down. And it might take a little while to dry, so you just want to hold it down and give it a couple of minutes. And here we go. Here's our finished butterfly with its lovely little antenna, and it's all lovely and colourful. Please do share your butterflies with us. We'd love to see them. Use the hashtag FEArtschool, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Bye.